What are segments in Mailchimp? Unlike tags or groups, you are not adding data to your audience. Instead, you are using the data you already have in your audience. Segments are used to tie everything together: your content, merger data, your tags, and groups. Now, I will show you how you can create segments in Mailchimp. Simply, you just need to click on audience, and after this, you just need to click on segment. And now you just need to click on create segment. You can also create segment from groups, tags, and your audience. For example, this time I am just selecting here the tags, and you can choose according to your requirement: tags, groups, or already uploaded audience. For example, tags, I am just selecting here the buying from me again and again, and I just need the people that are buying from me again and again, my repetitive customer, and I just need their Gmail. I don't need Outlook, I don't need Yahoo, I don't need Hotmail, I just need a Gmail. And once you are satisfied with these filters, you just need to click on use segment and give the name of this segment. For example, I am just giving here the testing, and after this, save and exit. And now you can see that segment is ready. And now only 2% that are using a Gmail and buying from me again and again. And from here you can also check have the tags, 3%. And now I want to show you, these are the tag. And now you can see that this is not a Gmail, only 2%. This is a duplicate, means 1% are using a Gmail and it is duplicated from here. So this is our segment. From here you can also edit or rerun segment. So different things are available, you can use according to your requirement. And from here, if you want to send campaign, from here you can also send. And from here you can also select from sketch, from basic layout, or fully designed template. You can choose according to your requirement. For example, I am just selecting here the basic layout. And now you can design your email according to your requirement. You can also add image according to your requirement. For example, I'm just adding here. And you can also write a paragraph here. And now here is a paragraph. If you want to write a headline 1, headline 2, different options are available. You can use according to your requirement. If you want to headline, bold, so different features are available. If you want to attach the link, from here you can also attach the link. And now you can see that from here you can edit image, you can change the style, visibility, so different options are available, background, so different things are available. If you want to preview this one, and now desktop mode, mobile view, so you can choose according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click on save and exit. And after this, you just need to write the subject line. From here you can write the subject line of the mail. For example, I'm just writing here the subject line. And if you want, AI will write for you. You just need to click on preview text, and after this, get started. And here is a 4 options: action, short, chain tune, and get creative. And if you want to get creative, you just need to click here, and AI is generating now. So you can choose according to your requirement. For example, I just like second one, and then you just need to click on save, and different more options are available like a time. You can schedule according to your requirement, and if you want to send now, you can click on send now, and you can also select the delivery time, and now you can see that. If you want a specific time, so you can select according to your requirement. And different more options are available. For example, if you want to design the content, from here you can also design. And once you are satisfied, you just need to click on send. So hope you understand how to send segment emails.